Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for the USMLE, today's video is all about breaking down the structure of USMLE Step 2 CK, that's clinical knowledge. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect from the exam and how to tackle it effectively. Let's dive in. So what exactly is USMLE Step 2 CK? It's designed to assess your ability to apply medical knowledge, skills, and understanding of clinical science. This step focuses on patient care, disease prevention, and health promotion in clinical settings. Unlike Step 1, which tests more basic science, Step 2 zeroes in on real-world clinical application. Now let's talk about the structure of the exam. Step 2 CK is a one-day exam that lasts 9 hours in total. It's divided into 8 blocks, and each block is 60 minutes long. You'll face around 40 questions per block, though this can vary slightly. In total, expect to answer up to 318 questions across the entire day. The questions are primarily multiple choice and often include patient scenarios that test your ability to diagnose, manage, and treat various conditions. You'll see questions covering everything from internal medicine and surgery to pediatrics, obstetrics, and psychiatry. The focus here is on real clinical decision-making. Think of it as practicing medicine on paper. You'll get 45 minutes of break time throughout the day, plus a 15-minute optional tutorial at the start. Time management is key, so plan your breaks wisely to stay fresh and focused. USMLE Step 2 CK is scored on a scale from 1 to 300, with a passing score of 214 as of now. Unlike Step 1, which is now pass-fail, Step 2 CK still provides a numeric score. And yes, that score is super important for residency applications. That's your quick breakdown of the USMLE Step 2 CK structure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more USMLE content, and drop a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your prep. You've got this.